Fèis Phàislig is a music and arts organisation based in Paisley that delivers opportunities in traditional music and Gaelic culture. Our weekly lessons programme gives young people aged 8 to 18 the chance to learn an instrument such as accordion, fiddle or guitar.
Belisan an naun gach Seachdain trohéir mich in scoile van Tultain gan nógvias agus be Clasaichean naun gan a hulahíde vol buch táisiché do buch erstach.
Participants receive an hour of tuition each week with a 30-minute instrumental lesson followed by a 30-minute group work class.
Tron of Liana be Kudaman Kul agus tachartas an akin gus Kodam a harsh gan a holanich tashbinig na hat júmsachig Tron of Liana.
I didn't even know Gaelic was a thing before I joined Fèis, and it's really opened up my mind to this whole new culture, and it's also just really lovely. The teachers are so nice and they make it fun to learn because all the teachers here love what they do. It's really good because they show that through their work and they're really enthusiastic about it.
I like that they take it in steps and they don't go too fast, because if they go really fast we'll just get all muddled up, and I just like that they take it in steps.
I know a lot of people who just like teachers or just let them do whatever they want, but I like to have a teacher that will push me because I know that I'm going to get the most out of that.
An nuta Charlem me Saturday morning classes Gaelic and Dunya aha Czechosky agus an Dunya a English.
You know, being part of someone's development, not only as musicians but as people in general.
I've been teaching at different Fèis forever and I just absolutely love it. It's a great organisation and the kids are all really, really keen, so it's good fun for me and the kids.
1, 2, 3. For more information, please visit our website www.fèisphàislig.com.